Vanguard will be performing Brother Sing On, composed by Edgar Green. Come and let our swelling song mount like the whirling wind, as it meets our singing throng, so blithe of heart and mind. Care and sorrow now be gone, brothers in song sing on. Brothers, sing on, sing on. Youth is a wandering troubadour, sailing the singing breeze, wooing a maid on a distant shore.